Plustek, since 1986, has been a leader in imaging solutions for 37 years, earning a reputation as a brand you can trust. Our complete SDK is designed to make it easy for developers to integrate and expand their solutions, allowing developers to create custom imaging applications that meet businesses' unique needs. Our team is committed to providing you with the resources you need to get the most out of our imaging solutions, including dedicated developer support, comprehensive training materials, and access to our extensive knowledge base. Plustek's imaging and data extraction SDKs are highly flexible. The developer program offers access to special applications that connect integrators with an extensive range of extractions, including text, barcode, MRZ, MICR, OMR, ICR through Plustek's enhanced imaging solution technologies. Inside the powerful development kits are the diverse object scanning libraries, available on various platforms including Windows, Web, Android, and Linux. Whether your documents are structured or unstructured, Plustek's got you covered. By becoming a member of our developer program, you will be part of a community of innovative developers who are creating cutting-edge imaging solutions. Join Plustek Developer Program today and discover how our enhanced imaging solutions can help you unlock new possibilities for your business. Give us a call to our local branch office or write us an email for a one-on-one consultation.